place. Yeah, looks just about good. See the pan, see the board. Okay, right, here we go. So now I'm going to do a roast pepper and tomato soup. Go. Right, so the oven's on. I'm going to roast the pepper off. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep the pepper. So this is how I like to do peppers. Take the end off, push the stalk out. Just going to put it in a little bit, keep myself tidy. Centre of the, and then what? Actually, do you know what I'm going to do? I'll show you this way. I'm going to cut around the pepper like so. Okay, that's enough, and then I'll just keep that to the side. Now I want to roast this. I'm going to pulse this soup as well. So I'm just going to cut these peppers quite roughly, this kind of size, and then we're going to get them in the oven with a little bit of oil to get them roasting off. Just give a nice roasted pepper flavour to the soup. I probably won't need all of that. I'll do this one as well. One more down there. Okay, let's put that to the side and let's get that straight in the the oven's not smoking. Okay, straight on there. You can hear it sizzling. It's nice and hot. Let's get, oh, you can smell the pepper straight away. Lovely smell of it. Okay, oh, come on, a little bit of salt on the pepper. Roast that off. Straight into the oven. So we'll leave that. Okay, get. Ooh, okay. So now we're going to do the base of the soup. So, pan on. I've got some onions here that I've already chopped earlier. I've got some like diced in there, chunky diced, and I've got some all sliced bits in there. But we're going to puree the soup, so this is fine. A little bit of oil. Get it hot. See if it's hot. We're sizzling. Okay. So we'll do about so much onion. I also want to put a little bit of celery, and I'm going to put a little bit of carrot in there as well. So let's just cut the celery quite chunky, because we're going to pulse the soup. So carrot again in half, cut down there, small, in it goes. I'll do one more half, always keeping an eye on the pan. As you can, let's give it a quick stir. You don't want to burn the onion. You can see this. Can't really. So the onion, then we're going to add a little bit of garlic into there. Remember, it's going to be pulsed, so it doesn't need to be too small. I'll do 1, 2 of those. Get that in. There you go. Now the thing is really smelly, garlic, which is not great. Get up. Okay. Now a little bit of salt. So I've got, this is sea salt flakes that I like using for the soup. Sprinkle a little bit of that on there. And got a little bit of bay leaves that I'm going to add into it. So these are bay leaves. Nice little flavour in there. Oh, flying away. Flying away. Okay. 1 pot style, let's cook it. Man. Okay. They're cooking along nicely. Now I'm using cherry tomatoes, vine cherry tomatoes for this soup. So what I need, I've got some here I've already picked off. So I'll just get in there. Just get that in there, that in there. These are going to give a different flavour to using other tomatoes. One more, okay, give that a stir. Okay, remember, peppers are in the oven, still going to be a little bit longer. Got my onions, got my garlic, got a little bit of celery, got my carrot, got my bay leaf in there, got my tomatoes, which I'm just going to pick down. And And I reckon that will just about do it. So let's save these for another day. And I'm just going to cut these in half. Just cut those down, give that a little stir. Start to get too much. Do you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to add some tomato paste right now. So that's probably add about so that's about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So now again, I just want to cook the tomato paste up for about 5 minutes or so. Try not to flick the vegetables everywhere. Okay. So here we go, the tomatoes. So we've got cherry tomatoes on the vine. 2 more. Let's get them in there now. Throw them in there. Have a look now. So we've got tomato puree in there coming along, tomatoes in there which we're going to cook down, onion, celery, carrot. Let's get these. You know what? I know a little trick for us. Put that on there. Put that there, and we go through like this. There we go. All in half. Much quicker. So those little tricks you pick up. So again, on the board, put my hand on top. Straight through the middle of all the tomatoes. There you go. Beautiful. What I'm also going to do now is going to add a little bit of sugar. So grab a spoon, probably about half a tablespoon right in there. Not too much. There you go. Use that. Okay, let's put them down nicely. And I'm also going to add a little bit of thyme. See that one there? You know that one? Thyme? Okay, a little bit of that. So keep that, don't need that anymore. That's when it's good. Keep stirring it. Peppers are in the oven. Keep the thyme down. There you go. Drop it in there. If you just run your fingers down, you can get it off there. Look. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Rubbish there. Get rid of that. Really get the smell of the thyme now with tomatoes and tomato paste cooking out. So have a look in there now. Look at that. Do you see that? There we go. Let's keep that going. And what else? So the tomato paste has been cooking out for about 4 minutes or so. So I'm just going to cook it for another couple of minutes. Check the peppers. Peppers. Okay. Okay, the peppers now we just started to get a little bit of colour when they're roasted. Or use a spoon, don't use a finger. Okay. Slightly roasted. Let's get those in as well. And the tray is really hot, so be very, very careful with the cloth. Okay, so we've got the peppers in there as well. Tomatoes in there, peppers in there, onions in there, celery's in there, bay leaves in there, a little bit of thyme in there, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt. And now I'm also going to add a little bit of chopped tomato, just a little bit. 3 of them, there we go. And I'm just going to stir it all in. There's something about tomato soups that I just really, I don't know what it is. Tomato soups. There's so many different variations that you can make of a tomato soup. Sometimes, I don't know, it's just, I just really love making tomato soups and eating tomato soups. Got Probably my favourite soup of all time, tomato soup. Okay, I like making them as well. Okay, that's cooking down now, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to lose the board. Got rid of the board. Oh, some more mess everywhere now, which makes me look dirty. Okay, let's just have a quick wipe down there. Oh, knocked it off. Now we're not going to. There you go, look. If anyone's got a hack for putting these back on, let me know. In the comments below this video. Okay. So I'm just going to add some water. Okay, I've got about 500 millilitres of water there. So I'm just going to start adding it until it looks good. So that's it there. Get all the garlicky bits into the soup, stick into the side of the pan. Do you know what? I'm not going to use it all actually. So now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add another little bit of these stock cubes, just a little bit, I don't know, probably about half a Knorr stock cube in there. Okay, not too. So, right, okay. So that was just about 500 millilitres of water in there. So we got that. Let's give it another quick taste. See what it tastes like. Oh man. You get the tomatoey flavour, the roast peppery flavour in there. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. I don't know if I put the lid back on. Okay, a bit more salt in there. A little bit more salt. Okay. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave this for around 10 to 15 minutes to let it all cook out. And then we're going to finish off the soup. Okay, so my soup's been bubbling away there now for about 15 minutes, as you can see, tomato and pepper soup. So now what we're going to do, we're going to blitz the soup. Let's take this out, put it on, turn it off, and here we have the trusty stick blender. I mean, there's different ways of blending soups. I mean, you might have a stand-up blender. I've got a stick blender at the moment. So we'll just turn it down. Remember, always start off slowly, give it a quick pulses and then get it going. See that? Can you see that or not? So it's all coming together. Try not to splash it too much. Okay, come on, let's go. It's all, yeah, it's looking good. Just move that around a little bit. Try to get all the pieces in there mixed up. Oh, I was doing that. I'll just concentrate on what I'm doing this now. Stop the splashing everywhere. Redecorating the little kitchen spot. Starting to look like all that fancy. Or maybe not. Okay. So that's the soup. Okay. Let's get this. We're going to pass the soup through our little fine sieve here. Taking out any little bits. Oh, there's quite a few bits in there actually. Do you know what? I'm not very happy about that. I'm going to put that back in there. Doesn't look like the pepper hasn't blitzed up enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the pepper back in the pan. I'm going to try and blitz it again. Let's turn that down. get the pepper bits up, I have to tilt the blender slightly, just because it all gets under there, but when I tilt it, it splashes. Okay, we're looking good now. We're in the flow. We're rolling. We're getting it under there. How's that looking? Okay, a bit more. I reckon that'll do it. A lot more pulse now. Okay. Right to the side, let's get our. Yeah, oh, there's a few bits still there. Do you know what? That's leaving there. Okay. So we're putting this through our fine sip again. There's a few. So this is taking out all the little seeds, any lumps we got in there. Any bits of say twiggy bits of herb we've got left over in there, maybe a bit of thyme's got, you know, stuck in there or whatever. As you can see here, there's a lot of the seeds all taken out. Don't really want to eat the seeds. Not very pleasant. So we put this to the side. Get rid of that. I'm just going to give this a quick wash off. Okay. That's looking good. Give it a taste. Okay, that's good. So you've got the tomato flavour, you also you can taste the peppers as well. So it's a tomato and pepper soup. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in a bowl. So there's my bowl. Put it in the bowl. Using the spoon, is try not to splash it when it goes in there. Initially goes in there. I'm going to take that off. And what I'm also going to do is, so you look at that, it's a pepper and tomato soup. It's also there's no cream in there, so it's dairy free. It's also gluten free as well. So actually, this is another vegan soup. I've got a little bit of chive oil here that I've got. So I'm just going to maybe just do a little bit of, you know, on there. Look, a few sprinklings of chive oil on there. There we go. Got a few dots, look. And there we go. So it's roast pepper and tomato soup with a little bit of chive oil. That's a vegan. So thank you very much. I hope you try this recipe. It's a little bit of variation on the tomato. Thank you very much.